So, good morning, everybody. Hope you're all having a very good day. So today we are going to start the analysis for the market. And as last week when we had announced on our Telegram channel that the US market had officially entered the bear zone. And since then, S&P 500 is down for 100 points almost now. And then Nasdaq is almost down 300 points. And Dow Jones is down almost 450 points. So now we are looking at a lot of stocks which are under breakdown. So I will tell you the number of stocks which are under breakdown currently. So we'll start with the alphabetical order, and we are looking into the breakdown stocks which are already in the breakdown. So they are Amazon first, and then we have ARC, which is on the verge of breakdown. It is at 39.66, and if it is closing below 39, it will enter breakdown levels. And then we have Baba also. Baba, even though there was a positive results, and but the guidance and the other scenarios were not good for Baba, and Baba is also entering bear zone below 93. And then we have BBBY, which is already under breakdown. It's a penny stock. We don't have to look into that. Then we have BYND. BYND has good support at around 14.515. So it may start taking resistance around 18.5, 19 area. Then the stocks which are under the breakdown. So we're looking at coin now. Coin is under breakdown below 64. So 58 is the next support which will be tested soon. And then we have CRWD, which is under breakdown from below 125, and it is not able to breach that level since a lot of attempts, and it may test below 100 very soon. So if you have this some of these stocks, try to take some action and try to keep some more cash so that you may add later on whenever you see the good support levels coming in picture. So now next, moving on, we will be looking at stocks which are under breakdown. Google is under breakdown below 93. So Google may test around may test around 85, 86 levels. So be very careful in that. And if you're going long, try to take around 85, 86 levels. And in spite of that, we don't see that it is going to be the bottom, but it is a good accumulation zone for Google. And then we have Meta, which is also entering breakdown below 168 levels. So be careful and watch closely Meta. And then we have Netflix, which is under breakdown already, below 328. So Netflix will definitely test below 300 soon. And then Microsoft has good support around 250 to 252 and 248 levels. So if it is closing below 248, it will enter bear zone. And then we have Triple M. So Triple M is our one of our portfolio stocks for long term for dividend. You are investing. So if you find a Triple M near 100 or 98, you can accumulate. And then mRNA is under breakdown. And then we are seeing all semiconductors under breakdown now. So on is below 81 and 80 support. So we are expecting around 75 to 72. And if it breaks 72, we'll test 65, 63 levels. And then we already alerted on Shop. Shop also is under breakdown. And we have been looking at Tesla. So Tesla is one stock which is not in the breakdown, but it has taken triple resistance at around 218.15 zone. So if you want to, if you're a fan of Tesla, you have to buy only above, if it is closing above 218 zone. Otherwise, wait for lower support levels, which can possibly be around 160 and 150 levels easily. So be very careful with Tesla. Do not try to jump the wagon and try to buy it at highs. Wait for the market to show the support to you in this good stock. And then we have SPY. SPY is under breakdown, so it is since trading below 403, and we expect it to test around 398, 395 levels, next support levels, and it will be trading in the zone of 403 and 395 zone. And in case it closes below 395, we'll enter the bear territory in the next bear territory. Okay, and then we have Roku, which is also under breakdown. Immediate support lies around 58, so try to buy around 58 levels. Then we have SOXL, which is around 15 now, and may test around 13 zone very soon. So these are some of the stocks which are under breakdown and having and will be testing support levels where on the downside very soon. And coming to the market conditions, we are looking at a very big fall in March. So try to hold on to cash as much as possible. If you are having a lot of stocks in long, try to do some hedging by taking March puts of SPY or any other convenient script to mitigate the risk, because you're going to look at we are staring at a very dangerous position in the market. So we can see liquidation of huge stocks in the coming days. So we'll advise you to stay properly hedged, so that you can assign your capital to a proper manner. If you're trading on margins, try to get out of the margins as soon as possible, because there will be margin calls as soon as market turns into panic mode. So that's all for the day. Have a nice time. Thank you so much.